The building was one of those tall, outdated office blocks with long hallways and dim fluorescent lights that always seemed to flicker at the worst moments. It was past 10 p.m., and I was halfway through the 16th floor. I started in the reception area, wiping down the desks and emptying trash cans. Everything was fine until I reached the small kitchen. There was a pile of half-empty coffee cups and wrappers left from some meeting earlier in the day. I grumbled under my breath as I started cleaning, then froze. The sound was faint at first, but distinct, like someone breathing.